Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the pumpkin seed fish in Heartopia. So this is the very unique fish and I think it's so beautiful. It has a unique pattern, unique color combinations like this. I think if you are a collector, you must have this one. And to catch this fish, it's pretty easy. First, just go to the Onsen Mountain Lake, and it's found almost all times from the 6 a.m. until midnight, and it appears at the sunny and rainbow weather. So just go to the Onsen Mountain Lake. Over here at the map, this one or this one, just go to the one of this area, and then after that just go fishing like usual. You can also use the fish attractor like this or mermaid perfume to increase the chance to get this fish. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.